We've got probably the nicest 66 Olds 442 in existence. $275,000 was spent making this Pro Touring convertible amazing. The fit, the finishes, the features are out of this world, from the red glass paint to the upgraded suspension, 3-inch stainless exhaust, Mondello built engine making 550 horsepower. All the upgrades you can think. Well, I got so much to tell you about this car. It is incredible. It's not a very nice car, really nice car. It's incredible. Go to volocars.com where you can see 200 incredible cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, really, I've been doing this a long time, and I'm telling you, this is at that high-end level. We actually used to own this car. We sold it once already. I bought it from the guy who restored it. Had boxes of documentation. They're checking for me right now to see if that's still with the car or not. The gaps. He had a professional actually gap the car. That's what he called it. He had the car gapped. All the gaps are square and flush, tight. I mean, like a new car, like a Lexus or Mercedes. Absolutely arrow straight. This car was finished in 2016. It looks like it was done yesterday. It's not shrinking. It's not crackling. This is red glass. It's Viper red, by the way. And the body work and paint work is phenomenal. This is outstanding. Look at this. It's a reflection at the very bottom. Right behind the back tire, it's a red mirror. All of this is outstanding. And what's cool about this, they do Chevelles all the time. Not, oh, shuts like a brand new car. Shuts better than it did when it was new, I bet. Uh, you don't see a 442 convertible like this. Makes it unique. All square, flush, beautiful, outstanding paint and body. All of the chrome, show quality chrome. All the stainless, buffed and polished like chrome. Look at how all this is gleaming. HID headlights. It all sparkles. The emblem's sparkling. Every bit of it is beautiful. It all fits right. I love the upgraded wheels, the SS1 wheels. These are 17-inch billet, the Oldsmobile caps, redline, EF Goodrich Silvertown radial tires, mirrors on both sides, and it's all the vent window frames, the moldings, it's all just sparkling and straight. All new glass, not just the windshield, but it was all replaced. All the weather strips, the fuzzy seals, gaskets, all replaced. Did I open this door? Shuts like a new car. A black canvas convertible top in excellent shape. The whole top frame unit was completely restored. Of course, the rams and all the lines. Oh, somebody dropped a little something right here. There's a little chip touched up with the right color red. Back here, all the chrome. But real quick, I want to point out, look how they notched and reworked the bumper for the exhaust. But the tail lights, the lenses, that back panel, outstanding. 442. Let's open it up. I got so much more to show you. Let's keep the tour going on this one. Even this back panel, I think it's a pot metal. I don't know how you'd even get it that nice. Look at underneath there. This paint, it's wet sanded and buffed. I'm sure of it. It's like glass. Stainless steel hardware. The jam is slick as can be. The weather strip, of course, is new. Inside has been boxed, upholstered. Has some nice trim there. Box floor. It's been carpeted. Got a wrinkle here. This piece, corner piece, might be broke right there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos are posted. Got some great cars in the works. Jambs are painted as slick as the outside. Weather strips, all that is replaced. Sill plates, beautiful door jambs. So the interior completely restored with the same care. Door panels, armrests, all redone. You can see it has power window switches, factory air condition vent, all of this redone. The dash pad's new, the whole instrument panel redone, has this custom filler, custom gauges, speedometer, tachometer, vintage air, electric controls, power top switch. Does have a stereo system in it. Glove box liner is real small because of the aftermarket air. It does have a working light. Here's some molded in good size kick panel speakers. Carpet's real nice. A factory vacuum gauge, custom ignition. The center console's all restored. This is a polished stainless insert that was made, and they kept it looking original. It actually has the knob. You push down on it to change gears, and they did change the shift indicator as well. Also has working lights under the console. The seats are actually slightly modified. They're a little bit more bolstered, so you sit in them a little bit more like a sport seat. And then the trim on the back, all redone. All the upholstery, wall to wall, side to side, all redone. The lights work, power windows. There's a full set of seat belts all around, and they are restored seat belts too. New visors, new mirror, aftermarket or reproduction sport wheel on a Flaming River tilt column. Got a couple switches here. This is for the amplifier, I think. That's for the gear vendor overdrive. We got custom pedals. It's an amplifier for the stereo under the seat. Even up front by the door hinges is painted like red glass. So this is a 455 Oldsmobile engine. If you know Oldsmobiles, you've heard the name Mondello. They're the Oldsmobile engine guys. They built this engine. There's full set of specs on our website. It's bored and stroked from a 455 to a 490, and it's making 550 horsepower. Custom intake, has aluminum heads that you can't really see hiding behind there. It's fuel injection underneath this air cleaner. This air cleaner is all hand fabricated. Somebody started with a sheet of metal, aluminum is this, and fabricated it. I seen the pictures. If we still have the documentation, there was pictures showing a guy building this. This air cleaner would cost you $5,000 or $10,000 to have duplicated today, figuring what people's time is worth. Fuel injection system, a sequential fuel injection, aeromotive fuel fittings in that. These are the fuel lines. They get tucked away real fast there because they kept the engine compartment real nice and clean. You can see the aluminum heads here, headers, and then look at these nice tall Oldsmobile thinned aluminum valve covers. It has roller rockers under there. Nice smooth firewall. All this is nice and clean. Has these nice billet hinges that work so nice and smooth. Custom air boxes. This actually goes, the air comes in between the headlights or under the grill, just like the W30 would have. Let's see what we got here. This is the overflow bottle, a Be Cool aluminum radiator. They had to make a custom support. The whole front of the engine, billet brackets, mini compressor, and where's all the heat and AC lines? They're way down there, and they go behind the fender, so you don't see any of that. Serpentine belt. I don't know if I said dual electric fans. A nice hard upper hose here. Just keeps it neat and clean. Special bracket. There's a lot of fabricated parts on this car. Chrome water pump. Aftermarket power steering with the remote Concept 1 reservoir. The ram air is on both sides. So yeah, power steering and brakes. It's a hydro boost system, Willwood master cylinder. It has a Detroit speed wiper motor. Just look at how nice this is. This car was built in 2016. It's when it was finished. It looks like it was done yesterday. Under the hood, all nice and tidy. All right, Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. This is a special car right here. I mean, I don't know if you can find a nicer 442 in the entire country than this vehicle right here. Definitely get on our webpage and check out pictures of the undercarriage and the engine compartment and everything on this car. It is really super exceptional in every way, shape, or form. Super high-end build. The motor was professionally built, 490, generating about 550 horsepower, 3-inch exhaust. That sounds freaking mean. Let me give you a little. I mean, this. I hope that comes across in the on the audio, because it's exhilarating. I mean, this is just exciting just listening to this motor run right here. Our shop went over this car top to bottom, really dialed it in. We had a bill of about $3,000, but that did include our detail bill and everything. So just a great car. This motor runs fantastic. It is fuel injected, so you do get that kind of turnkey reliability there. And then the Turbo 400, I didn't even know this existed. I guess there's some insert in there from a company that essentially transforms it into a 6-speed automatic. So you were just seeing that working very nicely there. Come out, test drive it yourself. It's a great experience, and check out all the details on volocars.com.
So underneath is just as amazing. It was off the frame. It was on a rotisserie. Everything meticulously done. All the metal floors, all the chassis parts, smooth as can be. The cleanest metal, all neatly painted black. Global West. Oh, it shuts nice. I thought, oh, I didn't push it hard enough, but it's still closed. Global West suspension. It's got lowering springs, tubular control arms front and back, Coney red gas shocks. All the steering, all the suspension, all completely redone and upgraded. It has bare disc brakes at all 4 wheels, drilled and slotted rotors, polished calipers. And yeah, I was just looking at the notes. There's a lot of information about the internals of this motor, all the best parts. I can't memorize them all, but it's all listed at our website. Even the hood just shut like a new car. 3-inch custom made stainless steel exhaust with a crossover pipe, stainless mufflers, and resonators out the back. And again, those tips come out the bottom of the bumper. That was fabricated. The bumper was. You look up at the motor, extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. It's a turbo 400 automatic trans with a gear vendor overdrive. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission. Custom drive shaft. Goes back to a new, at the time of restoration, it was new, a Mosier 12-bolt rear end with 355 posi gears, 35 spline axles. New custom fuel system. The custom fuel tank looks like it's aluminum or stainless. Aeromotive fuel lines and electric fuel pump. Just every single aspect of this car. I know I've forgotten stuff like power door locks are also installed. Just so many details that, you know, a lot of people just don't realize. Oh, it's a pretty car, but like that air cleaner, someone spent hours and hours and hours making that air cleaner. Go to volocars.com if you want maybe the nicest 66 442 in the world. Salesman can help answer the rest of your questions, like how to get it delivered to your home, how to get it financed. And as of right now, it does not look like we have the documentation, but I will see if I can hunt that down. Thanks for watching.